There are 5 basic steps to performing a pull-off adhesion test with the PosiTest AT. First, clean and roughen the surfaces of the loading fixture and coating using the included abrasive pad. This helps the glue form a tight bond and prevents a premature glue failure. Additional preparation such as degreasing may be required to promote bonding between the glue and coating being tested. Next, squeeze equal amounts of the included 2-part epoxy onto the pallet. Use a mixing stick in a circular motion to stir the 2 parts until they are combined. Once mixed, apply a uniform coating of glue to the loading fixture and place it on the coating. Press straight down to squeeze out excess glue. Do not twist, rock, or slide the loading fixture, as this can create voids. Once applied, use a swab to remove any excess glue. If the surface is uneven, vertical, or overhead, use a piece of removable tape to hold it in place while the glue cures. At room temperature, the included glue cures in 24 to 48 hours. Testing with the PosiTest AT automatic adhesion tester. Attach the actuator to the dolly and ensure the quick coupling head is completely engaged. Verify that the units, loading fixture size, and pull rate are properly set, then press the green button to initiate the test. Once primed, a live pressure over time graph will display. When a pull-off occurs, the maximum pressure value will blink on the display. The PosiTest AT adhesion tester can store results into memory. If a memory batch is open, the results are automatically stored into memory. The PosiTest AT also allows the user to digitally record the nature of the fracture of each test, as required by test standards. It includes a USB port to communicate with PosiSoft desktop software for managing measurement data and creating custom professional reports. The PosiTest AT also features Bluetooth technology, allowing communication with the PosiTector app for iOS and Android smart devices. After testing, results can be loaded into the app and annotated with notes, pictures, and other relevant details, such as a photo of the loading fixture. Professional PDF reports can be created with ease. Watch how to measure adhesion using the PosiTest AT adhesion tester to learn more.